Here's how to update Zlink and fix wireless CarPlay connection issues. Open the Bluetooth app and tap the search button and wait until your phone's Bluetooth name appears. When the Bluetooth appears, tap the screen once to pause the search, then double tap the Bluetooth name to start pairing. Bluetooth has been connected successfully. If you see this error message, uninstall and reinstall the Zlink app to fix the problem. Before downloading, make sure the head unit is connected to Wi-Fi or a hotspot. Then open Dofun Play and download the latest version. You can also tap the app to check the current Zlink version. Now open Dofun Play and download the latest Zlink version. If you update Zlink directly without uninstalling, it may not open properly. In this case, Zlink may show no response even after waiting. Clear the recent app records, then open Zlink again to test. After disconnecting Bluetooth and opening Zlink again, it still does not respond. If Zlink still does not respond, the app may not have fully started after updating. Restart the head unit, then reconnect Bluetooth and test wireless CarPlay again. The better method is to uninstall the old Zlink app first. Long press Zlink for about 3 seconds, then move it to delete. After uninstalling, open Dofun Play and install the latest Zlink version. Clear recent apps, then pair Bluetooth again. Now wireless CarPlay should connect much faster.